Being a mom, your most important goal is to make sure your baby arrives healthy and safe in this world. And even if it means by C-section, the incision that you will have represents that you have brought a miracle to life. Now, the scar that you get after your C-section might be a clear indicator of your delivery. The scar is often raised and discolored, and sometimes it's painful. It is very natural after giving birth that you would want to ensure the wound is healed well and the scar is minimized. So, the good news for you is most of the C-section scars heal nicely with proper treatment and care. They just leave a faint line above your pubic hairline. The line above your pubic hair can easily be covered up by clothing, underwear, or bathing suits. So, in this video, you will know how to treat your cesarean scar.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Now, to treat your scar and to improve how it looks, you need to know a little bit more about C-section scar. Generally, your C-section incision may be about 6 inches long. Your doctor will cut through your skin, fat, and muscles. The scar forms over your wound after it heals. You will feel your scar thicker than the rest of your skin. You also might feel the scar appear pink or red and shiny. Now, there are several things that affect your wound healing and how noticeable your cesarean scar is. These things also affect how well your body responds to the treatment, like how long your incision took to heal and your age. The scars often fade over time, but it takes time, and so you need to be patient and treat them. These tips may help you in improving the appearance of your scar. You need to keep the incision moist and covered. It's the best way to help in reducing scarring after your C-section. Many scar creams also do it, but petroleum jelly is commonly available and keeps it covered. Now the petroleum jelly keeps the scar from getting large, deep, or itchy. You can use the Vaseline Blue Seal Original Petroleum Jelly. It's made with 100% pure petroleum jelly. The petroleum jelly is triple purified to help you in locking moisture and protecting against dry skin. If you put a sheet of silicone gel over the incision, it's also very effective. These sticky clear sheets help in keeping your scar moist and covered. This gel sheet makes the scar softer, thinner, and less red. Now, after your incision heals, cover the scar completely with the sheeting. You can keep the sheet on all day but remove it when you take shower. You can reuse a sheet for several weeks. It takes some time to see the results, but these sheets are extremely helpful for raised scars. ScarAway professional-grade silicone scar sheets are clinically supported for scar treatment. It's used in hospitals and by doctors. The scar sheets are made from breathable, ultra-thin fabric. It provides optimal support in treating scars. Moreover, these scar sheets help you in reducing scars without discomfort and itchiness. Vitamin E or onion extract may help you in making your scar less noticeable. It is said there is a substance in these that helps in reducing or preventing scars by locking the growth of scar tissue. However, vitamin E and onion extract may not work as well for the raised scars formed in places other than the incision site. Apart from applying products, there are other things that you need to do to ease scarring. Once your incision has healed, you need to gently massage that area. This allows you to soften the scars. Massage breaks down the scar tissue that forms below your skin. You need to massage your skin using a moisturizing cream or Vaseline. Keep massaging around your scar a few times each day. It may take a few weeks to see improvement. If your scar is healing, it will get darker and more noticeable if it gets sunburned. So you need to keep your scar out of the sun for at least 6 months after your C-section. Time matters when it comes to any scars. These are a few tips and tricks to heal and treat your cesarean scar. You have given birth to your baby and it needs a bit of time for your body to adjust to it. Keep patience and keep on loving yourself, because no matter how your scar looks, it embellishes your love. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.